So for this project, we are going to start with a hardcover book, and we're going to start by folding. So the initial fold is going to be taking the top short sheet and folding it into the gutter, which is the inside of the book. And we're going to do this for all of these pages, so this is going to take a little while. So once you are done folding, and once you've creased these folds, we are going to cut that extra little bit of paper off, so it'll end up being a square triangle shape, and this will go through the entire book. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to make the cones. So you're going to start by taking a sheet of paper, and I'm just going to rip this. You don't really have to worry about this being a straight cut or anything. Okay, and to roll it, you're going to start with one edge and fold it towards the other edge gently, and then just roll. My hands are putting a little bit of pressure on here, so not a whole lot, and as you can see, the cone isn't perfect. That doesn't really matter. You can pinch the end or you can just hold it gently, but either way, you're going to take some tape and you are going to attach it so that your cone can sit without you having to hold it. So as you can see, tape isn't holding super well on this part, so I'm actually going to put a second piece of tape on here to hold it down, and that's how you make a cone.